Hello guys and welcome to this new video. This one is a follow-up of my last video where I created an automatic jump cutting tool where you can create lots and lots of things with. And well, I think at first I will show you the usage of the whole tool. And after the usage I will show you the whole installation process of the thing. So let's start. So at first we have to open Sony Vegas, of course. So I think I will try the tool on this video, what I currently creating, so to say, and what I'm now talking. And this whole video is now put it into Sony Vegas. Then we have to click at extras, then Erweiterungen. I don't know what's called in English, but you will find out somehow, I think. Then we have to open the jump cutting tool. Then we have multiple options. The first one is precision. The higher the number, the more accurate it gets. So the precision of 1 is only the volume of 1 second each is counted. So precision at 10 is 0.1 every 0.1 second is the volume checked, and the precision of 100 is every 0.01 second. And the default settings are working quite nicely for normal speech. But if you might want to do some jump cuts, like I did last time with the pen, then you can of course do this by setting the fade in time and fade out time to 0. And well, the fade in time and fade out time is of course needed for the normal speech or partly normal speech. And well, then we have to select the clips we want to execute the script on, and then we have to click on execute script. As you can see, the silent parts are really cut it out nicely, and the whole thing then sounds more natural and more interesting. And for this reason I kind of like this tool pretty much. Well, now we come to the installation process of the whole thing. For this we will firstly open, of course, our download. This download is linked in the description below. After downloading, we have to insert it as last time into the folder. We have a Vegas extension.zip file. This zip file includes the Python version we are using and all the scripts. For instance, now in the Python Vegas PN there is also our jump cutting tool and also other tools that I've created. After this, we are going to take the whole content and drag and drop it to a newly created folder in Vegas extension applications. And if the folder already exists, we can just drag it inside the already existing folder and then copy it and paste it there. And well, it takes a couple of minutes, but it should be fine as always. Well, then we have to wait, and after it is finished we can use it as we have already seen. So I hope you enjoy this tool, and if you enjoy this tool, then please leave a like, and if you want to use it, then you have to put my channel link in the description. So please enjoy my upcoming videos and see you next time.